Alright, welcome back to my new video. Today I will share how to create a Google review slider for your WordPress website like this. If you want to add a Google review slider for your user like this, you watch full video. So let's get started. First of all, we need to install a plugin. The plugin name is plugin for Google reviews. You can get this plugin wordpress.org website. First you need to install this plugin. So already I installed this plugin. I will not install again. Now I show you how to create a review slider. So go to Google review slider widget here and click the widget. So already I create one widget. Now I want to add a new widget. So I click the create widget. Enter your widget name. So I add my widget name, the test widget. So we find many restaurant, but there are good reviews, 113. So click here and click to review and go to write a review, and we need to inspect here. After inspect, you find one place ID. You find a data paid. You need to this ID. So you copy this ID from here and go to your WordPress dashboard and paste the Google ID and paste and connect with. Alright, it's working for me. We find the review slider. Here you can get many options, slider option. You can add many style option. You can find. You can press it. So already we have create a beautiful Google review slider. Your user directly visit your website and give you a review on here. So save and update. Then you need to copy this shortcut, copy, and go to your home page. So we need to edit this page. So before I create this slider, now I remove this slider and here I add a new slider shortcut, paste here and update. Visit the page and boom, we can get a awesome Google review slider. So I hope you understand my video, and if you helpful my video, please subscribe my channel. And if you need to any service for website design, website redesign, copy or clone, please knock me. I will give you my best service all time. Thank you for watching my video.